The Congress party and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his Kapoor family meet and greet. Rahul, taking a jab at PM Modi, urged him to address pressing national issues instead of focusing on celebrity engagements. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. The viral video titled Cut, Cut, Cut was shared by Gandhi and the Indian National Congress on Instagram today. In the video, Gandhi highlighted his interaction with the public sector undertaking workers, discussing their challenges, contrasting with the Prime Minister's recent meeting with the Kapoor family. Gandhi, while posting the video, wrote, "Focus on real issues." Have a look at the video shared by Gandhi on his Instagram account.
Cut.
Furthermore, Congress leader Pawan Khera also took a dig at Prime Minister Narendra Modi while referring to the Manipur's ongoing humanitarian crisis. In a post on X, Khera wrote, "Hum to bole the Manipur, wo samajh baithe Kareena Kapoor," which translates to "We said Manipur and he thought Kareena Kapoor." Have a look at the tweet on your screen, which Khera later deleted. The Congress leader mocked PM Modi's focus on the Kapoor family and not on the ongoing crisis in Manipur. The word game began after Prime Minister Modi on Tuesday met with the Kapoor family, including Ranbir Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Saif Ali Khan, Karishma Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Neetu Kapoor, Ridhima Kapoor Sani, and others in Delhi. The PM also posed with the Kapoor family for a group picture. Have a look at the video shared by the BJP on its X handle. The Kapoor family invited the Prime Minister to the Raj Kapoor 100 Film Festival, which is set to commence on December 13. The event is organized by PVR Inox Limited and the Film Heritage Foundation. It will celebrate Raj Kapoor's centenary birth anniversary, showcasing his legacy in the film industry across 101 cinemas in 34 major cities. Interestingly, during this meeting, PM suggested creating a documentary highlighting Raj Kapoor's influence, particularly in the Central Asia region. He emphasized that the showman played a major role in establishing India's soft power globally even before the term became popular. Have a look at the video shared by PM Modi on his X handle. However, the opposition was quick to condemn the meeting. Congress MP Manikam Tagore questioned Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's priorities. While talking to the news agency ANI, Tagore said, "Our Finance Minister is enjoying the video of Prime Minister who meets the Kapoor family," while the leader of opposition met with the delegation of the Bank Officers Association. Tagore, sharing a clip of Modi's meeting with the Kapoor family on X, further wrote, "Priorities of the ministers in Modi government: shows real life over the real issues. The opposition has repeatedly demanded PM Modi to visit the violence-hit state of Manipur. The ethnic clashes between the Meitei and the Kuki-Zo communities begin since May last year. The clashes have claimed over 250 lives and displaced over thousands. The violence in Manipur began after a tribal solidarity march opposing the Meitei community's demand for the scheduled tribe status. In addition, Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi criticized the government, stating that Manipur is in humanitarian crisis, but instead of finding solutions, the government is deploying paramilitary forces and enforcing AFSPA, which is worsening the situation. He further also accused the BJP-led central government of using George Soros as a diversionary tactic to mask its failures in bringing law and order in Manipur. On the contrary, the BJP leaders have countered Congress's claims. They allege the links between the opposition party and the Kuki-Zo organizations. Sharad Kumar, BJP's General Secretary, pointed to a recent letter from the World Kuki-Zo Intellectual Council to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. The letter urged introducing a bill for a separate union territory for the Kuki-Zo people. Sharad Kumar stated, the letter proves the Congress's connection with the Kuki organization. Meanwhile, the war of words has led to a larger debate about the government's priorities, with the opposition raising concerns over PM Modi's focus on celebrity engagements rather than on the pressing national issues and challenges, which includes the Manipur's ongoing conflict and the clashes in Sambhal. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.